It is only this present, a moment of time, that a man lives, all the rest either has been lived or may never be. Marcus Aurelius. But fortunate means that a man has assigned to himself a good fortune, and a good fortune is good disposition of the soul, good emotions, good actions. Marcus Aurelius. Religion is regarded by the common people as true, by the wise as false, and by the rulers as useful. Seneca. Because most of what we say and do is not essential. If you can eliminate it, you'll have more time and more tranquility. Ask yourself at every moment, is this necessary? Marcus Aurelius.